I spy with my little eye every color I know, and some I've never seen before.
A rainforest with roots so deep, they stop me in my tracks.
Water that races beneath my feet as it makes its way to calmer places.
I spy with my little eye lands where the winds roam free.
Valleys where I can taste the sunshine.
Mountains that change my view of the world.
I spy with my little eye something big and furry.
An unexpected detour to my new favorite place on Earth that I didn't even know existed.
I feel the power of nature.
I hear the stories of people I meet along the way.
I take every twist and turn on the journey of a lifetime.
I see wonders unfold in every direction and how beautifully it's all connected. Along Rainforest to Rockies.